Telegram is an online messaging app that works just like popular messaging apps such as WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. It means that you can use it to send messages to your friends when connected to Wi-Fi or your mobile data. All of its activities, including chats, groups, and media shared between participants, is encrypted. This means that they won't be visible without being deciphered first. Telegram also offers end-to-end encryption that will leave no trace on Telegram's server. Telegram also has a two-step verification. And how does it work? You can do this in settings, and go to privacy and security, and go to two-step verification. Once enabled, you will need both an SMS code and a password to log in. You can also set up a recovery email address that will help regain access if you forget your password. If you do so, please note that it is important to also secure the recovery email address with a clear password and, if possible, two-step verification. Two-factor authentication is intended to block unauthorized users with nothing more than a compromised passwords from entering an account. Users, particularly if they use the same password on more than one website, it can be a greater risk of stolen passwords than they know. In addition, Telegram also provides an authentication exchange to provide the identity to each other. The opportunity to verify the protection of the user secret chats using an icon that acts as an encryption key is also possible. You can easily check that your conversation is secure and will be less vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks by matching your encryption key to a friend's.
There are quite a number of security threats against Telegram, which explain why this application has suffered from plenty of breaches in recent years. One of the notable attacks is on June 13, 2019. During the Hong Kong protests, Telegram has suffered from a denial of service attack performed by IP addresses linked to mainland China. Then, the next threat, which is classified as snooping, occurred on 30 March 2020. An Elasticsearch database holding 42 million records containing user IDs and phone numbers was exposed online without a password. The accounts listed in the database were those belonging to users in Iran, extracted from an unofficial government-sanctioned version of Telegram. It took 11 days for the database to be taken down, but the researchers say the data was accessed by other parties, including a hacker who reported the information to a specialized forum. This was then followed by another attack on October 19 of 2020. Hackers with access to the signaling system 7, which is SS7 used for connecting mobile networks across the world, were able to gain access to Telegram Messenger and email data of high-profile individuals in the cryptocurrency business. In what is believed to be a targeted attack, the hackers were after two-factor authentication, 2FA, login codes delivered over the short messaging system of the victim's mobile phone provider.
For confidentiality, secret chats use end-to-end encryption. All information is encrypted with a key only known to you and the receiver of the message. In secret chats, Telegram still do not hold any records for chats and no longer know who or when you posted via secret chats after a brief period of time. When you send photos, videos, or files via secret chats before being uploaded, each item is encrypted with a separate key not known to the server. This key and the file's location are then encrypted again, this time with the secret chats key, and then it will send to your recipient. They can then download and decipher the file. This means that the file is technically on one of the Telegram server, but it looks like a piece of random indecipherable garbage to everyone except for you and the recipient, and Telegram doesn't know what this random data stands for. For integrity, your hidden chat notes, media, and archives, as well as the contents of your calls and the details you save in your Telegram passport, are only processed on your computer and on the recipient's device. It is secured with a key known only to you and the receiver until this information hits the Telegram server. although this end-to-end encrypted information will be managed by Telegram servers to send it to the receiver or store it in the case of Telegram passport details, the Telegram department have no means of deciphering the individual information and cannot store or process your personal information in this case. For availability, Telegram is a cloud service. It can store your cloud chat messages, images, videos, and documents on Telegram servers so that you can access your data from all of your devices at any time without having to rely on backups from the third parties. The information is kept heavily encrypted, and the encryption keys are stored in several other data centers in various jurisdictions in each case. This ensures that only users can see their cloud, so the user can easily use the cloud to download all the records, addresses, messages, and chats to their current number or call or mobile, whether the user needs to update their phone or use a new number.
One of the existing cryptography security mechanism for Telegram is Secret Chat feature. Telegram Secret Chat uses end-to-end, client-to-client encryption to safeguard your message. This encryption leaves no trace on Telegram servers unlike the regular chat method. Secret chats also don't allow forwarding message and media. Most importantly, it can be set to self-destruct after a specified time, which can be anything from 1 second to 1 week. Secret chats can only be accessed from the originating device to the destination, unlike normal chats which are broadcast across devices. When a screenshot is taken in Secret Chat, both parties are notified. When you log out of your current session, your Secret Chats will be deleted.